Hello there. Yeah, in our last episode for the oil and gas industry, we discussed the inlet manifold. Today, we are going to be discussing the heat exchanger. All right, the heat exchanger is an equipment that is used to heat up the oil in order to dewax it, to make it lighter. Because sometimes the crude that comes from the well is a bit heavy, that waxy. So by passing it through this system, the heat exchanger, there is the interaction or a kind of rubbing between a pipe carrying steam at up to more than 100 degrees centigrade, and then the pipe that is conveying the oil coming from the well, coming from the inlet manifold. So that interaction helps the heat from the steam to be transferred to the oil, and at the output of the oil, at the output of the pipe conveying the oil, the crude is lighter. So that way, as it goes to the production separator for separation, then you are going to have the proper separation between oil, water, and gas. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you that crude that comes from the well is made up of oil, water, and then gas. So the processing facility, what it does, or what it aims to do, is to properly separate these three elements. Take the oil to the tank for storage, and then the gas for other gas facility for processing, or to the flare where it will be burnt. Then the water goes into the produced water tank. We are going to be discussing all of this in this episode. So this heat exchanger is the high pressure heat exchanger, okay? Because some of the wells are high pressure. So after the manifold, after the inlet manifold, they come to this, all the wells that are high pressure. Then this one is for low pressure, low pressure heat exchanger. So the wells that are of low pressure are passed through this one to be heated up, and after the heating, they all go to the production separator for proper separation. So that's all. That's how far we can go with today's episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and above all, introduce this program to school children, so as they learn about the engineering in the oil and gas industry and other industries that we'll be covering later, they will be encouraged to study hard, to study their sciences and mathematics at school. Okay, so when they come into the industry will have people who can manage the facilities in a professional way. Thank you very much. Watch out for my next video, and like I said, please continue to share and to subscribe. Thank you, and bye.